Hi, welcome back again. I'm Sean, and let's continue where we left off. Stop grabbing and let's start coding. Well, what did we do last time? So last time we added variables together. We subtracted, we multiplied them. We even named strings. Well, those are just things. That's very boring, I think. How about we make a game? To make things exciting, but not a big game, like a simple game. Don't expect GTA 5 or something. So yeah, let's start. So what's this game's gonna be? So we have a hero and we have an enemy. Let's name our hero Goku, since Goku is very powerful. And let's name his enemy Frieza. So the purpose of the game is to calculate the damage that Goku does to Frieza to defeat Frieza. So how do we do that? Well, since Goku has an HP, Frieza has HP, Goku has damage. And are you not curious on how developers keep track of those numbers? Well, that's simple. They initialize them into variables. Yeah, so if you look here in our screen, we could say hero name, the name of our character, which is Goku. We could say hero HP. The HP of Goku is over 9,000. Haha. His damage, well, how about 500? Now, Frieza has a name, so enemy name. The opposite of hero is enemy. Well, let's actually make this hero damage. A tip is you make your variable names make sense to other programmers out there. So if you work in a team, it will be easier for them. For example, damage. Well, whose damage? Hero damage or the enemy damage? See, it's confusing. And Python uses camel case. You can just check more out about the Python style guide. You can look it up. Now let's continue. Enemy name is Frieza. So Frieza is an alien. So aliens have, and Goku in the anime was having a hard time defeating Frieza. Frieza had to kill Krillin to make him go Super Saiyan in order to defeat them. But yeah, Frieza has a great HP, so it's over 15,000. Now, and Frieza's damage. So Frieza is very strong. Enemy damage. But is Goku stronger? Well, Goku in base form on that arc was weaker than Frieza, so Frieza's damage is 1,500. Now let's make them punch each other. So print Goku punches Frieza. With what? Remember, if we can combine strings with this, with how do we calculate? How do we display Goku's damage? But it's hero damage. Now that with this, now plus damage. Let's actually run this. So Python 3 test the PY. Oops. Oh yeah. In Python, you can combine string and integer. Since hero damage is integer and this statement is a string, what we could do is we do this. We initialize hero damage as string. So yes, you put str right here, you enclose it in parentheses to make an integer into a string, and you run it again. Goku punches Frieza with 500 damage. See, it's 500 here, 500 here. Like that. Just add spaces to make it look prettier. How? Well, this is very, it's very long, and I don't like this plus symbol here. We could write this differently. We could use F strings. You could. I won't dive deeper into this. You can just look it up. You could use F strings. And get back here, Goku punches Frieza with enclose the variable in curly braces. that. Now STR, 0 damage. Now let's print both things together. See, it's just the same. This one is just the same with this one, but this one is more readable since it's not broken up by this plus sign. So yeah, let's get rid of that. Now we know how to display Goku's damage. Frieza. What she read? Yeah, we know how to display Goku's damage. Now how about let's make them now. Let's make Frieza punch Goku. Frieza fires. Now let's make fires a key blast. Goku with again like this. Now STR enemy damage. And type damage here, and we run this again. So yeah, Goku punches Frieza with 500 damage. Now Frieza fires a key blast at Goku with 1500 damage. See, well, this is how we display fireballs inside a string. Use F strings. It's just the same as those plus thingy, but this looks cleaner, I guess. Now let's make Frieza lose health. So when Goku punches Frieza, his health decreases. Frieza's health decreases, right? Now we could do it as like Frieza's HP, so enemy HP minus Goku's damage. Enemy HP is equal to hero damage. Equal to enemy HP minus hero damage. So enemy HP is just equal to the initial HP minus the damage. Now we display that. Print F that Goku punches Frieza. Now let's display Frieza's health. Frieza has only this STR right here. Enemy HP, health, death. Nice. So yeah, Goku punches Frieza with 500 damage. Frieza fires a ki blast at Goku with 1500 damage. With that, Frieza's only 4500 health left because Frieza's health minus the damage of Goku. Yeah, so this is how we do this. And it's actually looking good right now. The only thing that's missing from our game is, the core logic, loops, maybe animations, and a game has those things. A game has variables. So this is a very basic way to show you what is going on inside a game. Yeah, I hope you understand more. So let's continue. Since Frieza has been punched by Goku and Frieza fires a ki blast at Goku, we should also decrease Goku's health. To be fair, well, Goku is not immortal. He does get revived from the dead a lot, so yeah, I'm nerding out. So hero HP minus enemy damage, same thing. Since then we print F Goku's health. Sorry about that. Goku's health is at this STR, this hero HP, and then is at HP, like that. Health points. Now run this. So Goku punches Frieza with 500, Frieza fires ki blast with 1500. They're both left. Frieza has 14,500 and Goku has 7,500 since Frieza's damage is just 1,500. So yeah, that's the basics of it. You could add more to this in the next video, so stay tuned. We would add conditionals. So what would happen if Goku has only 1 health left. Would he die? Would he turn into Super Saiyan? So yeah, so stay tuned. So comment, like, and subscribe, guys. Bye.